Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone. Today we have a very special debate. Today's debate will bring up a motion about the influence of technological development in Hindu culture and religions. We already have the affirmative team and negative team. And the speaker are myself, Komangari Wiranti, as negative team, and Nikade Apriliana as affirmative team. So, we solve points to the debates. The first or second speaker, please start argument.
Affirmative team. The support team believe that with the technology, the development will improve culture and Hindu religion.
Let me convey an argument. Which one has been delivered by affirmative team that the influence of technology is indispensable at this time, but the effect could have a bad impact could be seen from several times that the spread of photos and videos that show foreign residents were on Plinge who he thought it was a common destination. Where that technology is tested, the one who some people think technology has always have a positive impact, but this also need to be considered instance.
Affirmative team. Let me convey the first argument. Based on the existing facts, it can be seen that the influence of technology greatly affects all aspects of education, health, let alone culture and religion. Hindu. For example, tourism are drawn to Bali because the sea, read and hear information through technology or the internet. Where those who are far away can find out the things that are here and around the world. They can know the beautiful beach fountain that can be said to be the attraction of tourism and culture of Bali. Who are still there to date, for example, than to go Kecha, which is usually start at Uluwatu Temple, one of the beach, and threaten that is in Solher in Badung, Bali.
Permission to respond from affirmative team that technology has not always had a bad impact. Yes, it does not always have a bad impact, but blockchain technology is growing. At this time, the community is getting worsened. See two things they don't like and look at the current technology that is increasingly growing. It look negative impact like creating a gap against Hindu religion itself and the social gaps it creates, like there is distance between us all.
Affirmative team. I have reject a delivery where is covered by the opposition team. That technology has bad impact on tourism. Here, those who play a bad role are not technology, but people who can be good information, such as example in Bali, that there are tourism sites above the temple. That is where the tourism know the info will have been give turn. They develop technology in today.
Permission to respond from affirmative team. That technology has not always had a bad impact. Yes, it does not always have a bad impact, but blockchain technology is growing. At this time, the community is getting worsened. See two things they don't like and look at the current technology that is increasingly growing. It look negative impact like creating a gap against Hindu religion itself and the social gaps it creates, like there is distance between us all.
Permission to respond to argument from the opposition team. Look at where during this COVID-19 pandemic, how many people or tourism actor promote to culture in Bali. Third, technology to expand to other countries or make tourism known and return to Bali. Also, these days we have to leave this technology very helpful to us during the current pandemic.
Permission to respond, which still was conveyed by the affirmative team, where the technology is very important at the use. And I respond to all that is not true. Why? Because it should not be that the community spread the culture that we have will make our culture polluted for tourists, as if we sell our culture to technology. And tourists will also underestimate the culture that we have. The conclusion is that technological developments are very necessary in this modern era. But how do we as users carefully to sort and choose which thing need to be used? If it doesn't feel right, then don't use it. Okay, thank you very much for your attention and have a nice day. Bye bye.